So our S&B 12-inch limit strap kit, part number 105048. It's going to fit all of our like 2.5-inch up to 6-inch lifts. It's only needed if your spring or your shock package is going to let the springs kick out of the truck at full droop. On this truck, it did badly. So this kit's going to include the hardware, the limit strap itself, the clevis, and then the universal frame mount here. This mount mounts to the frame with a pull-through tab bolt kit. It's 2 3/8-inch bolts welded together. We drill our holes in the frame. We hook the 3/8-inch bolts up to a piece of wire, and we have a nice hole drilled in them. It pulls it right into place, and then you torque these down. Really, really strong way to mount this to the frame without welding. You can weld them as well if you want to. This is a 24 Super Duty. This is where we've got it mounted. Pretty good spot here. You typically want to mount them as close to the shock and coil spring as possible. That's going to decrease any chances of the tire rubbing into the strap at full lock. These fit with our beam arms right here on the bottom, but we're also working on some brackets to make them work with a factory radius arm as well.